Hello, welcome back to my channel. What are the messages today? Let's roll the die and find out. We got 4. I hope beautiful things happen to you, and when they do, I hope you can believe you are worthy of every single one of them. Healing is hard. It's not easy to rebuild a home while you're living in it. In today's rush, we all think too much, seek too much, want too much, and forget about the joy of just being. Eckhart Tolle. I'm multitasking. I can listen, ignore, and forget at the same time. A mistake should be your teacher, not your attacker. A mistake is a lesson, not a loss. It is a temporary, necessary detour, not a dead end. Try not to let the way people see you or treat you influence the way you respond. Easier said than done. And then the last one today. You become a master of your life when you learn how to control where your attention goes. Value what you give your energy and time to. Yes, most definitely. All right, thank you for stopping by. Adios.